What skills and qualifications should a fashion designer have? So let's go through a few of them. Creativity. You should have a sense of discovery and curiosity about new things and making things, building things. Or maybe you play dress up with your mom's clothes at a young age. Maybe you were always looking at fashion magazines, right? Or watching old classic movies like Casablanca or Breakfast at Tiffany, two great classics. A few movies that I do recommend are Dior and I, Coco Before Chanel, The Great Gatsby, Valentino, The Last Emperor, and The Devil Wears Prada. Another quality for you to cultivate is commitment to success. I've already talked about this in my last video. So no matter what, you must have a commitment to success, stamina, strength, willpower, determination. When things get tough, keep going. Like a famous basketball coach once said, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Another important asset to develop is leadership and communication skills. You see, as a designer, you don't work alone. You don't work in a vacuum. You work with a team. Now, if you're just starting out, you don't have a team. But eventually, you'll likely have an assistant, a seamstress, a pattern maker. You deal with factories and contractors. So you must learn to delegate responsibilities, to communicate with your team, what's in your imagination, right? And how to translate it into reality. You need to learn how to support your team so that your team supports you. Very important. Now, along with the creative aspects, another competence for you to build up is your business skills. Now, for some of you, this might be too early in your journey. I understand that. If you're just starting out, maybe you don't have a business yet, but it's always a good idea to set a strong business foundation and groundwork. Having great designs and ideas and not having a business structure in place or a weak one, your business will fail. Another skill to develop is being aware of new trends. Now, when it comes to trends, you can either embrace them or rebel and go against them. Either way, you have to be aware of what new trends are happening in the market, what new colors, what new fabrics, what new silhouettes, new proportions, and so on. There have been many designers who have gone against the trends, like, say, Vivienne Westwood, for example, or Betsy Johnson, and even Coco Chanel. Yeah, Chanel is now a major top commercial brand, but back in the day, Coco Chanel reinvented fashion by taking away and stripping all those corsets and bustiers and petticoats that women wore back then. She was a rebel, a revolutionary, and shifted the course of fashion history. And it was Coco Chanel who said, "Fashion trends come and go, but style is timeless."